Alright, so I bought the Pilot GTR wipers. First time I bought this model, and I bought it for the cosmetic look. It has a carbon fiber look, so that's why I bought it. And it's not good, man. So the wiper on my driver's side, that blade broke off, like the rubber piece broke off. Maybe a month, 2 months since I had it, like when I installed it. And then now today, my passenger side wiper rubber blade part broke off. So it hasn't even been a year, and it's already done. Now I understand it's not supposed to be like quality wiper blades, but I had some of the Pilot blades before, the Pilot decorative blades, and those lasted a long time. It was the same carbon fiber looking ones, but they were like the dual blades. They were the dual blade model, and those lasted a long time, maybe a year or 2 years. Plenty of time for me to not complain about it. But yeah, so take a look at what this is. So right here, got the Pilot GTRs at the blade, and you open it. This right here is hanging off right off the blade. So I mean, it's hanging right off the blade. So yeah, I'm not buying these GTR models again. I gotta get, hopefully they still sell those dual ones. Find those for those ones, because I like the look of the blade, and the dual ones perform good. These performed okay. Well, I mean, I can't even say they perform okay, because the driver's side one was broken I'd say a month after I had it installed, so I didn't really get time to have it in the rain. But yeah, don't waste your time on these GTRs, man. Get the dual ones. The dual ones work good.